I post the link of the Signal group for everyone. Okay. So you guys also can join on that group today.
Yes, I got it, Master. Just now.
So one thing I want to clarify before you uh, from next time, because eventually this is a free group. So we are going to shift on another group. So every superhero member will be that group. Thing is, when I post a signal, do not blindly follow my signal. You guys here to learn, okay? There are
Okay, Master.
few reason. There
Yes,
are few
Master.
reason I open that signal group. One reason is the reason in 8. I told you in maybe in last session in 8 November. There was a guy who said he respect me because of my mentoring. I may be a good mentor, but he don't know about my trading. Okay. So what I did in 9th November, I opened a signal group. I invited to few people. They joined, and I started posting all the signal. Not like I take the trade and I said buy everything. No, I did those signal like market is coming to that point. Once it comes, we are gonna buy. Okay, this is how, like pre-market analysis. So now they know out of 41 trade, 37 trade got TP, which is massive TP, like 300 pips. We hit so far 4 SL. So if you count that, what will be my win rate?
Yeah.
85, I
195%.
Yes, sir. 95,
95.
90, 95. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now there is a no chance for people who don't even in my mentorship. So they know now how I trade. That's the second thing. Third thing is, as you guys are learning, second, so not the third thing. Second thing is also I had something on my mind so that, when you are learning from me, understanding market is one thing and execution is another thing. Okay. So when you guys are marking your level, so that once I post the signal, your job is to find out that level, why that signal, analyze by your own. Then if my signal match with your analysis, you only look for those trade. Okay.
okay,
Okay,
Master.
Master.
Okay, sir.
Fourth thing is my balance. Few people knows, those who don't know, my balance is a huge balance. And when I says huge, it's more than seven figure in a dollar. And few people, I posted in my YouTube also. I posted in Superhero group also. Posted it way back in discussion group also, but I do not want to show off, so I removed them.
15
So
million?
no, 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 no. 1.5 million.
Oh, okay.
So what happened? I do not use break even for me because if trade goes against me, I know as I watch 1 minute a lot, so I kill my trade. Okay. I use like I have some label on my mind like 20 pips, 25 pips. If market goes below that, I closed it. Okay. But I put my stop loss in a minimum way like 30 pips or 25 pips. So what happened if market goes to favors, goes 40 pips or 30 pips, I told everyone who is under my guidance to use 30 pips as a stop loss. Sorry, break once market goes to prop, because if you are using 30 pips as a stop loss, so your break even point should be market goes to 1 and 1, isn't it? So when market goes to 1 and 1, you put your break stop loss to break even. Why you are doing it? So that if market goes to 60 pips, you book your profit. If not, it come back. It should not go back to your stop loss. Your balance will be protected. You got it?
Yes,
Yes,
So,
sir.
Master.
in that sense, I do not use break even. That only reason because as I said, I cut loss. Huh. So I do not want you to do the cut loss, because if you started to cut loss, it will be as initially once you start to making money, then you'll understand. Because I know we are not doing because when I started with very small balance. So our balance need to be protected first. Money making is a very easiest process. But if you do not have balance, like you blow your balance today, and tomorrow everyone is trading and you are not trading, then it will be it will be something more hard than stop loss. Okay. Right.
Yes.
So when someone when I post, your job is analyze that trade, not to follow my trade blindly. Because you will have some time. I do not randomly post a trade. Very rarely I said buy now or sell now. But I think so far whatever signal I gave, I only 2 times says buy now because it was so immediate. So and remaining I give early signal like, okay, this is the level. If market goes back, we are going to buy or we are going to sell. So what happened today? Someone with my, like he is in the superhero member. At the same time, he is also following the signal blindly. My trade, I did not put my break even. He put his break even. Market come back, hit the break even, goes to like 70, 80 pips. So he said to other superhero member, this is not fair.
What? What?
Okay, like this is not fair. After I hit my break even, his trade is still holding. Bro, my balance and your balance is not same. If few knows Umar trade live with me, Dada trade live with me. I
Hello.
open 100 lot in front of them. So they knows like how we do. So my balance, and your balance is not same. So you should not compare your trade and my trade at the same time. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Okay,
That's the
okay.
reason.
Yes, master.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
master.
Sorry, I just missed the first few minutes. Okay, I will see it in the recording. No problem. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Yeah.
And is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
One more
master.
thing, if you, those who don't know, anyone here before who had the chance to join the signal group before?
Which signal group? Your group or
No.
some other?
No. Mine one. Anyone like,
No.
just today or maybe, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what happened? Look, the market is continuously falling. Still, we go for buy from every time here today. Every time. Now, as of our 5th session is done, as you guys in the signal group, every trade I give, you just go to there, you will find the reason why. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, master.
Okay. What we have learned in the last session? Storyline. Basileus has some question. Let me check actually what are those
Yes, yes.
questions.
Yes.
We learn about direction, sir.
Listen, my brother, I'm going to tell you something. The way we trade,
Okay, sir.
we trade by candle by candle. Look, if you have a market is either regular engulfing or irregular engulfing, okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
if you have a regular engulfing, means you have 2 chances to break it. One, it could be the super gap. If not, it would be a flip setup, right?
Yes.
Right, sir.
So means you already getting an area for trade. If once you find out one single SOP, then what we do? We start to break the time frame. Once we start to break the time frame, there are multiple. If there are multiple SOP, we buy, we sell. Okay.
Hmm.
Second thing, if we buy and sell someone, okay, is my voice echoing?
No, sir.
Not now.
No, sir.
Not now.
Fine.
Before that, little bit was there, but right now
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay, so second thing is when we buy and we sell, okay? Where is my chart? When we buy, we sell means, once you understand the storyline, as I said, storyline gives you some kind of idea what is the direction. So if you knows your direction, you can hold a trade for like 200, 300,000 pips. Okay, that is the main reason to identify the direction. Second thing is, as I said, storyline word is a very fancy word. It is not like anything newly developed something. If you guys remember, I gave you 4 examples in the last session. Remember? 4 examples.
Yes.
4 types of example actually to identify the trend. One is the basic higher high, lower low method. One is the SMC concept. Another is our SNR concept. And number 4 is like liquidity concept. Remember those 4?
Yes,
So
Yes,
basically,
Yes.
whatever people call it, these are the same, and it is coming from the same thing, which is higher high and lower low concept. So if you, as I said, storyline, just one thing extra which I added is like, if you look at here, let us start with the monthly, very, very monthly. Monthly, we are so much bullish. So nothing to identify here. In weekly, we have this if you look at this high and this low broken, and now it goes up again here. So now, if you look at here, this low is broken, this high is also broken, isn't it? You're seeing it?
Yes.
The thing is broken. So it initially it was in a other concept, whatever you say, but initially it was like it should be sell, but now it is we are moving towards the upper area. Okay. This is the same formula you use in H4, you use in H1, wherever time frame you use the same thing. Like if you look at here, we have this particular one high, low, high. So when the low is broken, it created this. Now in lower time frame, we are in this particular place, okay. As we have one or two signal on the cell, but as you are here, and if you look at this is the, if you remember the last session, if I remove this and stay with this high-low concept or storyline concept, whatever storyline concept, we says last time what? We have this high and this low, right? And if market do something like this, means we are playing with this particular range. If this range break out like this, we will say what? We are moving to bullish. If not, it come back down, we will say what? We are more bearish, isn't it?
Yes.
But basically,
Yes.
in what range we are playing? Sell range or buy range?
Sell range.
Fire
Sell
range.
Sell
range.
range. Everyone, now
Sell.
if you look at this particular same thing, we have this and this. Now we are playing in this whole range, which is actually giving us a sell range. Now, if you look, this is the internal and external formation, whatever it happened. So now at the same time, we are going to see today's part, which is the engulfing part. Market enter on that engulfing area. If you want, you can go to lower time frame filter like this. So this is the engulfing again in the lower time frame. As you know, if you read the chart very carefully, you have this as a engulfing buy, which is giving you this as an engulfing sell, right? Overlapping. Can I call it overlapping? This particular area.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, now go more lower time frame, look for anything you have there. So far, we do not have. If we have it here, we see a QM here, which is here 59 area. But as as this one is an engulfing, is very higher point area. Just need to measure it. It's falling under the volume category, if I says in the last session. So now go to more lower time frame. In that particular lower time frame, if you have here, you have your EG buy area here, and that particular EG buy happen to be overlapping on here, isn't it? Because
Yes, sir.
this is the EG buy, and that is the fail, and that is the fail. So we have the overlapping. Is this part clear to everyone?
Yes, master.
I'm showing you in a sense the multi-time framing. You guys understanding it? I started from higher time frame. Remember, like if you let me start again. So we have this in a higher time frame. What we have here?
EG
sell.
cell.
EG cell. In a higher time frame, when you have an EG cell, lower time frame we prefer engulfing fail, but in the higher time frame, what we prefer? We prefer this, isn't it? Everyone remember
Yeah.
this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when you see market reach to that particular area, now we do not randomly buy or sell from the higher time frame. We do not randomly sell from higher time frame, right? So what
Yes.
we are going to do, we will go to H1. In the H1, as you see, what I look for. So remember, there is a sell. We are entering on a sell area, and we have our very first engulfing buy, and we see that engulfing buy is failed here. That engulfing buy is failed here, which is giving us a particular overlapping area here. So out of this whole big area, we just shifted to overlapping area only. As of now, we have only one confirmation. So H4 to H1, we come back, and then we go to 30 minute. In the 30 minute, we look for anything we have on this particular area, not here, anywhere, but as it is a sell, as this particular area is giving us a higher time frame confluence, we are looking for here. So far we have nothing. And today I'm going to show you something extra with this part also. So this kind of candle, why are you guys mixed up with the super gap? So now if you go to the 15 minute, in the 15 minute, we have this engulfing buy, and that engulfing buy actually failed on here, right? Failed on here. So, and which is giving us this particular area as overlapping area. At the same time, if you look at this overlapping area is also giving us this area as a M shape. So for clear, everyone?
Yes, master.
Yes,
So
master.
two confirmation is done. Let us,
Yes.
if you want, you can say this is a QM also. So I will come back to that later. Now, if you go to a 5-minute time frame, in the 5-minute time frame, if you look now here, you have this as this is the whole area. As this is the whole area, I want to clear it up. Just remember 63 and 64 is the area. In here, you have your very first engulfing buy and engulfing sell. At the same time, it is an M shape. Okay, is this part clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
master.
Yes, master.
At the same time, this is a QM. Why it is a QM? Who can say? Look, those who understand the chart basically, where is the A shape, V shape, whatever? Is it a QM?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
So we have already 3 confirmation here, okay? We have already 3 confirmation here. So far, from higher time frame to lower time frame, at the same time, this is happening all in between and another engulfing. Market goes back to that engulfing. Now, if you look at this 30-minute also, this is everything is happening in between the engulfing on higher time frame, which is 30-minute time frame. Everyone clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
master.
Yes.
And this particular area is giving us a entry area. This particular area is giving us an entry area. Now, out of the whole day, this market is so slow. Let's say you do not want to buy anything, but you are waiting for this particular area to come back and you are going to sell. And that's your one trade in a whole day, which is matching with very quality trade. Then you can literally sell from there and this happen. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this sell clear to
Yes.
everyone?
Yes,
Ah,
master.
master.
Now, what we do, as I said, we read chart candle by candle, so we have plenty of option to trade, okay? Now, the very first trade we took on here, somewhere like, this is the one which giving you very clear cut, without even looking lower time frame and higher time frame. So if you look at here, maybe this is the one which gives you a W shape, which is very clear W shape on here, right?
Yes.
You guys seeing it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, master.
W
Yes.
shape. Now, again, you have a QM also here. So low, high, low, low, higher, high done. If market come back, you will have a QM. At the same time, it is a M shape. Sorry, engulfing and engulfing overlapping. Go to more lower time frame. This QM remain same QM area. Okay. And what else? We do not have that much information on here. So when you measure from high to low, how much it is here? 31 pips. When it is a 31 pips, I says if the range in goes between more than 10 pips or 15 pips, what we do? We look for lower area to
60.
enter. We look for lower area to enter. So, and then that's the 57 area actually to trade, and we have that trade, and then this gives us first, just immediately hit that area and then TP. Okay. Now, another trade we had on here, which is, this is again a QM, and we have engulfing sell, engulfing fill, very tiny W shape, which is here to break out. Is it but clear? We have QM. Okay. Then if you enter on that trade on just QM area on here, it did not goes to 60 pips, which eventually goes, I think, 55 pips. So this is the trade which you will had as a break even, and market tap that. Look at this. It goes how much? 53 pips. Okay. Now, this is the, if it is the running market, I don't know it is the running market or not. This particular QM did not, this particular QM just happened on here, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. So this particular QM was not touched ever. Now, if you break those in more lower time frame, you have this engulfing sell and this engulfing buy, which is giving you this particular area to trade. Okay. And go more lower time frame. Now it is still remaining like QM, and this engulfing was totally fresh in the lower time frame, never touched. This one is still like we have engulfing sell, engulfing buy, and this. So now what happened? We had another trade on here. How many trade I'm showing you today with the slow market? This, and we see market come back. Oh, I need it faster. Just a minute. Okay. So it hit this and give the TP. Clear? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, master.
Now,
Yes.
thing is, at the very beginning, I said what? We are playing in this zone. We are playing in this zone. At the same time, within that zone, we have this engulfing, means whatever we are going to do, we are going to sell from here. As of, this is the one trade which happened based on the directional way. That's the one trade is the precise one that if you follow the direction only. Got it? Still, you are countering it. Remaining, why we do so much buy sell? Because we know the market. Okay, Basilis, now you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
सर इसका नीचे वाला जो इजी सेल बना है H4 में उसका थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए ना.
What is sell?
जो H4 में जो इसका नीचे जो बना है.
Here?
नो इजी सेल.
Here.
हाँ इसका थोड़ा दिखा
It's the
दीजिए.
same. That's the same read. Same thing, brother. Same thing. You do the same thing. Look, whenever market reach to engulfing, okay?
Okay.
This one. As a higher time frame, what we expect? We expect market should go there and sell, right? In the lower
Yes,
time frame, if it was a 5-minute or 15-minute, and as we see market is falling down, we would not sell from that 15-minute easy sell. We would sell from if this engulfing buy was failing. Okay? Higher time frame, we give the priority to engulfing. Now, if you go to H1, your job is the same. Filter it like this. Okay? Filter it.
Okay.
At the same time, if you look at here, this something we have so far none, and at the same time this filtering we called volume. We will learn it in the session 7. Go to more lower time frame. In this particular lower time frame, we have this engulfing buy and we have this overlapping area. Is this part clear?
Yes, master.
At the same time, we have this as our M shape. Okay, so our this particular area is locked actually. Okay, locked actually. Our plan was to sell from 51 actually, but the market did not. It is the yesterday, right? It did not come to there, so we missed that sell. But if you lock this area, if you look now, go to lower time frame. In the lower time frame, we have an easy buy here. No, so it is not giving us overlapping. So we are continuing in here. But if you look at here, we have a QM on here, right here. Okay, we have the M shape on here. This particular M shape. So we have QM here, M shape here. If you go more lower time frame, my net is little bit slow today. Okay. In here, we have this nothing we have seems like a super gap which is coming from a 15-minute not regular engulfing. So it's not a super gap. 10-minute regular engulfing, and then 5-minute we have a super gap on that area. We have the QM, we have that M shape on the higher time frame, overlapping on the higher time frame. So basically our entry would be, as I said, 52 or 51 area. We were waiting for that sell. Okay, but if you look that trade, what happened? We missed that trade. Eventually market started to moving on 49 area. So what happened then? our trade was here, but market is started to moving from the volume. So as this is the volume on the 30-minute volume also, this is the volume of the 30-minute also. So market did not reach to our trade area, but it did reacted from the volume. Okay.
Okay, okay.
This is the volume area, which is started from that engulfing. Okay. So this engulfing. This whole zone as our volume zone. What I says, we will learn it from the session, last session actually. Not important, not an SOP, but interesting to know. So we say market just moved to the volume and it reacted. And it gives us this buy, which should not be missed because we have this engulfing cell area, which is giving us a fail area. We have a QM area. And if you go to the 30-minute, that QM remain the same QM area here. And again, in the 15-minute, we have the same QM remain in the same QM area, and we have overlapping or whatever we hear here. BPE also we call it, which we will also learn in the last session, what is BPE. So this is the trade, it comes down. And if you now goes to the higher time frame, this particular trade, when it come down, you just ask me to show this engulfing cell. And this is another engulfing. As I said, in the higher time frame, we look for the engulfing to sell or buy if it is a higher time frame. But in the lower time frame, we look for the fail first. Clear?
Yes, master.
Okay. What else? Anyone have any question?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to discuss about volume, yes, today?
No, volume will be the last session actually.
Last, okay.
सर मैं कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ सर?
Athav?
हाँ सर. सर
हाँ.
मुझे थोड़ी सी हेल्प चाहिए थी बस आपकी. जो आपने एसएनआर सेशन लिया था ना पिछली बार, जो लास्ट सेशन था, और जो एंगल्फिंग सेशन है, वो आप थोड़ा सा मिक्स करके बता सकते हैं सर मुझे?
You do not started the engulfing session yet?
अच्छा, अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. ओके.
I was just showing you some chart trading up. I says we are going to start it today. We're just explaining the chart, how it's worked. We just did what, we just did the multi-time framing. We did not like how we move time frame to time frame, time frame to time frame, time frame to time frame. Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Understand, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. So now let us move to another session, which we called engulfing session. So very first thing, we start from a very high time frame, which is not needed, but I'm still showing you. In the higher time frame, we are starting with this, which is we have this as an engulfing buy, this as an engulfing buy. This time frame is telling us what we are doing. Buy or sell.
Bye.
Bye.
Buy. Now, if you look at buy, we see this is a movement, what happened on here. And this is the retracement, what happened on here. So if I need to do it both at the same time. We have a movement from here to here, and this is the retracement, right? Now, if market always follows some symmetrical movement, if you follow this, we have few room to left as a symmetrical movement like this. You understand it? And if you look at this particular thing, which interestingly coming under this engulfing area. So is it possible to retrace back that like that? Maybe. Because market always follow the symmetrical movement. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Now,
master.
how
Yes, sir.
many months it takes, we do not know, because we are seeing as a 1-year chart. Okay, it's a 1-year chart, so we do not know how many. It may take years, 2 years, 3 years. Not
Maybe
sure.
next year Trump will make it happen.
That's what I said. Like, if you see this symmetrical movement automatically falling under this kind of engulfing area, which is surprisingly like showing us the movement on here, right? So now let us go to again 6 month also showing us the same area, which is our engulfing area, and the same symmetrical movement is there. And so every time in the 12 month, 6 month, we are seeing that market is so much bullish. And if we now come to the 1 month also, What market is telling us? Tell me. We are so much bullish. So this is an engulfing and this is an no engulfing so far we have this engulfing and that engulfing. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
This giving us a hint that we are moving to more bullish. We thought when we started our session, maybe market was that time creating an engulfing sell. But after, as we have, our month is ending today, I do not believe that we are going to have an engulfing sell by tonight. Okay. So what we are going to say is still we remain bullish as of no engulfing sell created. Okay. No engulfing sell created. Let us go to the 1 hour, 1 month. In the 1 month, what we are seeing, tell me what we are going to do in the 1 month base, 1 week. This the area, these are the area which I'm going to mark as a different color. Just a minute. Different color, which is can eye catch. This one and this one, okay? These are the two area which coming from what time frame?
Monthly.
Monthly. We are going to adjust something on here, like this monthly giving us a weekly candle on here, and this monthly giving us a weekly engulfing on here, right?
yes,
Yes, sir.
We just did what? We just filter it, okay? We just filter it. Now, interestingly, if you look this two monthly area, weekly area, we have from this bottom, from here actually, we have this overlapping. Not particularly that one, but the upper one. So we are not moving to that. As this is like 600 pips, so we are not going to count the wick. We are just only counting the body. Okay?
okay,
Yeah. The same we are going to count the body, but in this particular body area is also giving us overlapping. So this will be the precise area to monthly to weekly. Clear?
yes,
In between, if you look, we have this as a area which we are going to start again the changing colors so that we can identify. All the marking we are doing here as a red color is our weekly. Clear? We have
Yes, sir.
this engulfing weekly. We have this engulfing weekly. This particular one is basically with the engulfing fail. So we say market came back and then give us a reaction. So we are still going to count that one. We have this engulfing buy, which did not tap yet, so it's still valid. In here, we have this engulfing sell. Now, this one is already fulfilled, so we are not going to cover it. We are having a new weekly engulfing buy on here. So far, this is what we have as a weekly. Everyone clear? Chart will look so messy actually. Clear?
yes, master.
The same thing we are going to do now on each from daily. What we are going to do, at first, we are going to look any area which we have is matching with any overlapping area. So we will start with here. Do we have any overlapping area here? No, right? No. You guys seeing it? Because this is the one that is already done. So we have this as an engulfing. And in here, if you look at here, we have an engulfing cell, this particular one, and this particular one giving us this overlapping area. Okay. In here, we have nothing, but if you look at here, we have this as an engulfing area. We have this engulfing cell, nothing, it has a buy, but so we are having only this engulfing buy. I'm just filtering those engulfing what we have in our chart. So we have this engulfing cell and gives this overlapping area. This one, we do not have anything, but we have this engulfing. In here, we have this engulfing and this engulfing. One more thing I want you to know, if you have one single candle which is holding 400 to 500 pips, we are going to, it's like 1000 pips, right? Almost 1000 pips in a single candle. So we are going to mark it. Normally, if any engulfing that gives you one candle engulfing in a daily, we are going to avoid, like, let me check. Just looking for an example. This one. Okay, now look what I'm saying. It is an engulfing buy, right? It is an engulfing buy, isn't it?
Sir.
Because-
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
am not going to count one one candle engulfing. I need in a daily basis at least 2 candle engulfing that we have. So this is the one we are going to prefer. Okay. This is too far. Let's forget about that. But let us talk about the very recent whatever we have. In also here, we have one candle engulfing. My question to you guys, should I go like, what do you think? I'm going to mark it or not? What is the rules for it?
There are two candles behind this.
No, this one.
Yeah.
This engulfing. Am I going to mark it or not?
Yeah.
This is an engulfing, right? And a daily.
Yeah. Sell.
So as I said, I'm going to pick only one candle. So as it is a daily engulfing, what do you think? I will count it or not?
Yes.
Sell.
Why?
The
Because
market
you
is
measure the
bearish.
pips. Okay. If you measure the pips,
Okay.
how much? 1000 pips. If it is less than 300, 400 pips, then I'm not going to count it. Okay.
Okay.
So then we go to move to H4. In the H4, do this, just this. We have this zone. We have this zone. In here, we have this area as a volume area, not particularly volume. It's like falling under the supply demand area. So we are going to count this engulfing. You know what I'm doing? I'm only filtering it. Okay. I'm just filtering it, nothing else. Now here we have 2 candles. I'm going to count it. So much mass it's look like. This is the problem. And now let us not go that far. Let us talk about only whatever we have in front of us. Okay. So it will be better. You understand so far whatever I have drawn? Anyone have any question?
सर नहीं है ऐसा क्लियर समझ में सर.
Everyone, I need everyone also so that I can remove. I want to play only this part. So I do not want to go that far. Whatever we play, we will recent chart. Everyone, can I do it for the better
Yeah.
understanding?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So far, just remember it. Whatever I have done here, I just refined it to the higher time frame to till lower time frame. Okay, higher time frame to lower time frame. Now, if you look at this, we have this engulfing. As I said, taking or not taking depend on the pip size. So it's almost 500 pips. We are going to take it. We have this as an engulfing area. We have this. Now, this one I'm going to talk about a little bit later. We have this. We have we'll measure it later. So just whatever we are seeing first, we are going to take them first. Now we have this, and we have this one, and this one we are going to talk about. Now, look, 2 things. One, so far, all of the play well I have marked, like this one, which is already reacted from this engulfing area. And if this one is falling under 300 pips category, then we are going to take it. So it's also falling under 300 pips category. We are going to take it. So we are in what time frame, everyone? H4, right?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes.
H4. This one is matching with this engulfing buy and engulfing sell area, isn't it? Do you sense
sir.
it a powerful area or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Powerful. Also, why I said I will talk about it later. Sometimes, what happened? We use a little bit common sense rather than the technical analysis, which is if you go back to the traditional support resistance way, this is the support level, right? Also, we have an engulfing here, isn't it? So if you look at here, market try to break it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and finally comes here 4 times, and then finally it breaks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 time breaks, and this engulfing become an engulfing failed and gives us this overlapping area. So market goes back there and then drop. Clear?
I don't see the cursor.
सर आपका
Marcus is
कर्सर
not
नहीं
हाँ
दिख
सर.
रहा था.
I forgot. Sorry. So when I used to do it with the Google Meet. So I am taking as a screenshot and showing it.
So
Sorry.
repeat a little, please.
Yes. So sorry. So we have this as an engulfing buy area, right? As a traditional concept, this is 1 time push, 2 time push. Sometimes it tried, and then 4th time push, and 5th time it break, right? When it break, it gives us engulfing buy with this engulfing sell, which gives us overlapping area. and market tend to go back that overlapping area and then drop. Clear? The
Yeah.
same
Yes.
scenario we are seeing on here. We have that buy, we have that overlapping. Market goes back in there and then it is started to drop. If not goes there, it will come back and then drop. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go again to more lower time frame because we have identified our H1 time frame, everything. Let's go to H1. The H1 of the 30-minute is the one that you can do more filtering and then you can take a rest. So it's the engulfing buy and engulfing overlapping. So this is the area. You have this particular area which giving you this engulfing, and this eventually failed, but it did not react it. So it just goes there. You have that particular area. You have this as a EG sell and EG buy area. So this is your another engulfing area. Now, if you look, every time when you have an engulfing, market tend to come back and respect it. This one did not touch yet. It should be come here. So let us remove only those. Keep those who are already not done yet. Okay. So in here we have this and this. In here we have this, and in this particular area we have this one, which is giving us overlapping area, which is also tested. Now, you know what I did actually here? If you look at here, what I did, who can tell me? I did nothing but refinement of the lower time frame, refinement in the lower time frame. So these types of trade would be heaven for Basilis, brother. Like you do not want to trade everything. Now, if your market come back here, you sell. If it come back here, you buy. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
You finally, you know what you did actually? You locked your area. Locked your area. There are few things you will mark in a different color where higher time frame giving you overlapping or zone in the zone. And when it come back, like you are playing in a zone to zone now, you do not trade from here, anywhere. You are a very precise trader. You are a very good trader. You know your direction very clearly. As I said, like this is the movement happens. We are playing with H1 range is here, and you have an engulfing on that particular range also. Let the market go there. You look for your SOP because you already locked your area. Any SOP match here, you sell till here. Put the break even if you want to long trade. Okay. Once you observe this area, look, as it is a 1 hour time frame, go to the 15-minute. Then when it's come back here, any engulfing sell it break, you put your break even to here. If it fall back here, push back, you sell from here with the SOP and then trade target here. Fall back, push back, you sell from here. This is how here. Now the tricky part is when you have two back-to-back level, which is so near, like this one and this one, you should not buy from the, like if the market is buying, you should not buy from here. You wait to market come back the lowest area. Why? Most of the time you will see market comes here, gives us a little reaction, goes up and just back to the previous area and then goes up. Clear? Everyone?
Yes,
Who is not?
Master.
Yeah.
Did I make it complex or who is not clear?
Yes, sir. Complex.
Who says it complex? Arthur?
Sir, Adab, sir.
I do know.
सर आप मैं आपसे ये बोल रहा था जैसे
Why
आपने
is it not
ऐसा
moving? Just a minute, brother. Why?
ओके सर
Why it is not moving? Oh, I did not was doing it by this. I was doing it by this. Just a minute. I have to. Tell me also. You can tell me.
यस सर मैं सर आपसे ये पूछ रहा था जैसे आपने एसएनआर समझाया था ना ए लेवल वी लेवल मार्क करके उसी में अगर इंगल्फिंग ऐड कर दें उसी टाइप से तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा सर मुझे
This is the same thing, brother. Look at this.
यस
Whatever I have drawn here, you have a level here. Okay.
यस सर
This A level area, 86 area is a must sell area. Do not hesitate to sell there. Why? Because I am telling you. Okay.
यस सर
So if it is stop loss, then it is yours. If it win, just send me my cut. Okay.
ऑफ कोर्स
So this is, we have an engulfing cell, we have an engulfing, sorry, buy sell. We have the M shape on here. Now,
Yes, sir.
how you find it like that? You look for what level we also have in there. We do not have anything here. We just have the engulfing area here, right?
Yes, sir.
And also a level, right? Which is fresh.
Yes.
Which is fresh. Now, if you look at the lower time frame, as I said, this particular engulfing is here. But if you mark the engulfing, then you look for the lower time frame to SOPs. Your area is already locked. Means whatever gonna happen, you are going to sell from this particular area, not from anywhere else. Okay?
Yes,
Not
sir.
from anywhere else. You are going to sell from here. You will not sell from here. You will not sell from here. If you are a very, like if you look at Omo, Dada, and few others who are very good with the SOP and everything, what they do actually,
Yes,
tail
sir.
market reach there, they go to 1 minute, look for the confirmation. So the same, when I says the confirmation, basically this is the same thing. They just go to the lower time frame. Just let me show you if we have any confirmation in the running market. Okay, then I
Okay,
think it
sir.
will be better. Now look what they will do. That's the problem. What? Oh, so look what they will do. Look, this something happened on here, right? This something happened on here. So what they will do is like they will look for something here. We have a QM, not QM created yet. So this, if any QM created here, maybe somewhere here, they will look for this
Yes, sir.
engulfing. Look, this is something that you should look. You have this engulfing cell, which is failed actually, not failed.
Failed.
We have this. No, it's not failed because this is the one. Then yes, this is the engulfing cell, and then it becomes failed. And what happened? Market came back to your failed area right here, right? Now, this is something they look for in the lower time frame with the trend. If you understand the trend, clear?
Okay.
So
Clear, sir.
when you look for the CMP only, CMP means that what happening with the current market price. Remaining, I don't know what other people mean by CMP. To me, CMP is, this is the engulfing cell. If market come back here, whatever I'm looking for in this market, this is my current market price. I will look for whatever I look for. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thing is, you need to understand it. Now, this becoming a sweet spot now because what time frame we are in H1. We have this engulfing and we have this overlapping area, which is giving us exactly an M shape also. Okay,
Yes,
an
sir.
M shape also. Now, if you look the lower time frame, if we have any, I think we have a 30-minute M shape, which is falling under here, right? And
Yes, sir.
go to more lower time frame. And we have so far nothing, but we have a QM now, which is already done high, low, high, lower, low is created. So everything is here, and any other confirmation you can literally sell from here actually if it goes back. Okay, those are
Okay, sir.
there is the people call it risky trade. To me, every trade is risky because I'm putting my own money for the trade.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you say is like doing the SNR way, you can do the same. Like if do we have anything, just let me check. So we have a fee level which is a fresh, which hasn't been rejected actually on this here. So and now we have this A level which is the rejection happened. We are looking for basically sell. So market, go to lower time frame. When the H1 rejection happen, you find it. Just a minute. My net is too
Okay,
slow.
sir.
I send a recording today. Someone, where is the rejection? This something is wrong. Just give me a minute because then it is not a perfect rejection on here. No, it's not a rejection. It still remain fresh. See
Yes, sir.
how I understand it? Who can tell me? Because as it is the H1 time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candle is done here. No rejection, right? This candle is not showing us any rejection. So this one. So this is the before last two candle, which is the these two candles. Clear? As there is no rejection, we are still bullish. Okay, we are still bullish now.
Okay.
Now one more thing you can see here is this, and this will be interesting because I think I cleared it in the last session. Let's talk about this market. Okay, this market. This is the low, high broken. So in a sense, if you compare with the higher high and lower low concept, we are bullish or bearish.
Bullish.
bullish. Now, look, we have a V level fresh. What I said about gap level. Do I need to mark that gap level? What is your opinion, guys?
Identical level, yes, sir.
Who
Yes, sir.
can say?
So
So,
how
you know,
can I define, sir, identical
this
level?
is the
Can you
thing.
please?
Look at this two leg. This is the two leg. We have a level on here, right? From
Yes, sir.
here to here, do you guys see any identical gap area? From here,
No, sir.
Number
Third
two.
one, sir.
no, just
Yeah.
from this leg to this leg
The
to this.
donut ke baad se
Dapa one.
the middle one is the
Middle one, middle one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
No,
no.
this is not
Upper
identical.
one, upper one.
Well, identical at least.
Look, when you are doing a, this is where the running market is. If you are starting to drawing everything like that, this is something is not to falling under the SNR way because, just let me find an example. Like, if you started to marking this every level, then there will be a big problem starting, Look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
SNR.
Too much in SNR, sir.
SNR, you see. So this will be a very problem. You should not do like that, okay? So
Yes,
you
sir.
try to look for some, at least there are some gaps so that you have some area to trade. Okay. Now, if you started to marking something like that, you were making your chart so congested, where you will trade? My question is not that. My question is I have a V level here and everything you see is a gap area. Is there anything is matching with my last statement I made for the gap thing? Someone says this young, this is not identical, brother. Look, it is too, one is too big, one is very small. बाप बेटा का फर्क है. Okay.
एक और होना चाहिए तो बाप होना चाहिए बेटा हो सर.
Remaining,
ऐसा
if you
कुछ.
look at if you look at here, we also like we have only A level, so I'm not gonna mark any gap level here, right? I'm not gonna mark any gap level, and then if you look at here, now if you look, we have a V level and almost identical gap level. See?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to zoom more so that you can see it. This one and this one is almost identical, but this one is this one. No way it's identical. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now V level and gap level. So anywhere it rejected, I will started to counting my storyline. Look, so come down. Okay, rejection happened. Okay, when the
Yes, sir.
rejection happened, I'm gonna mark it. Okay, let's go
Okay,
to
sir.
H1. So where is the rejection? The perfect rejection is here actually. So when the
Yes, sir.
rejection happened on here, this would be my A level. If that A level get breakout by body break, which eventually did not give us any chance actually, it just goes back. So now
Yes.
it's in a shorter term way, we are seeing like, okay, we are bullish, go to the lower time frame, look for any opportunity you see in the lower time frame. Okay, any opportunity you see, then you can buy literally. Okay. So we have EG sell and EG buy, the very first thing we have, isn't it? It's look
Yes,
like
sir.
anything here. Anyway, it is giving us a M shape. Sorry, W shape.
No.
Who said no,
W.
bro?
W. Yes, a
Yeah,
W.
it is.
It's a W. At the same time, it's a QM, isn't it? Overlapping QM and
Yes, sir.
everything. So we have three confirmation here. So if you measure it, like again, how much it is? 8 pips. 8 pips. So you can literally buy from here. Put your stop loss here. That's it. You understand? That's your one trade in a storyline way. Come back.
Yes, sir.
I should give us this clear. And as it's a bullish market, as for the 4 hour, still we did not had a rejection in a storyline. But why we are going to stop the trade? Because we already reached in a EG cell area. So you can literally from there to there, filter
Yes,
it
sir.
to more lower time frame. You have anything somewhere we have H4 overlapping area, so we can literally go from there to there. This overlapping basically. So this would be the target, I think so. So market did reach or not, I'm not sure. It did not actually. So this is the area, and then we are seeing market is still dwelling in between that. So and finally here I already showed you we have so many trade today. Understood? Everyone,
Yes, master.
what else we can discuss?
If the market is in all-time high, how do we trade? Like,
When market reached to the all-time high,
yeah,
we do same thing. Let's think about this is the all-time high. Before that, there is no market. Okay?
okay.
Before that, there is no market. So how we will trade here? Tell me,
M
brother.
shape.
This is the same thing I will also show you in the last session, how we trade there. But you rely on the recent data. Okay? Rely on the recent data. Okay.
Yes, sir. There is a M on left side.
Where? Yes.
Left side, upper side.
I'm just going to give you a hint. This would be your hint. Then you start
Yeah.
selling from there. Okay?
Yeah.
We will
Yes,
see
sir.
it. We will see it. Anything else? Any question?
यस सर एक क्वेश्चन और सर मेरा सर
Go.
जैसे आपने ऐसा मैं ही हूँ सर अथर्व सर
हाँ
हाँ सर आपने बताया था लास्ट टाइम एसएनआर में कि जो बैक लेवल होते हैं ए और बी वो ब्रेक होने के बाद फ्रेश हो जाते हैं
हाँ
तो उसका मतलब उसको कैसे करें सर फिर मतलब वो भी फ्रेश हो जाते हैं फिर ऊपर से ए लेवल बी लेवल और अलग
Think
भी है
about like brother, this is any woman here? Anyone here is who is woman? I think no, right? Please, if anyone is here, Aura, please tell me so that do not need to give that kind of example. Fresh
दे
means,
दे दे दो
huh?
कुछ नहीं
Fresh means virgin. Okay. So what happened? And then that virginity got divorced and claiming again I am virgin. Simple.
यस
Like that way. She was a virgin and then get a divorce and then again you get married claiming that I am virgin. Simple thing. On it hit, it says I'm not fresh. And then break out
Repacking.
again, so it came in at I'm fresh again. Simple as it is.
तो
Repacking.
तो इन केस वो जो रिसेंट में जो लेग है उसमें फ्रेश एंड फ्रेश चेक करना है बस
What time frame? Tell me what time frame?
वीकली और डेली
Weekly or daily?
यस सर
Where I should give you the example? Tell me. Here, I'm going to tell you an example on here, okay? I'm going to tell you an example on here. This is a V level, right?
यस सर
So what happened here, it did not get rejected. So it's basically remained fresh. Okay. Like,
Yes, sir.
when in our Indian culture, as most of the people are from here is India. So there is
Yes,
just, the first time visit, no marriage, like the engagement talking. So they did not get married. It's just engagement talking and and never get married. So it still remain virgin. Okay.
रिंग सेरेमनी
Yes,
Ring
sir.
ceremony. So it's still as there is no rejection happened, so it just remains same as a fresh. Now, as it fresh, so we expect if it got rejected from here, it may be fresh. It will may become an unfresh. So what we see, it did again got breakout. So whenever the breakout happened, it remains still fresh. Okay. Now we can give it that much flexibility. If it get breakout again, I'm not going to. I do not do it. I will look for any fresh level. I will say fuck it. I do not care what happened on here. I will only look for A level, B level. Okay.
So till rejection,
sir.
it will be fresh.
Till rejection. So and just let me tell you. Just I'm looking for one more example so that I can give you one more example. Perfect.
So upper side, sir, upper side.
Besides here. No, there is no rejection actually. This V level never got rejected. So I'm not. This is still remain as a fresh and fresh. Okay. Now I'm just
Yes, sir.
looking
This
for
level,
power.
sir.
Okay. I have one. Look. This is a V level, right? So what we see, market got rejected here, which become an unfresh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now If you look here, okay, it got a breakout. So what happened? This really become again fresh. As I said, it got married, now no virgin, and got divorced. Now it's claiming again that I'm virgin. Simple. And remain the same virgin. Okay? कोई औरत मौरत नहीं तो ये
तो सर वर्जिन है ऐसा ही है कि नहीं है सर?
No, it is not. I do not give it a damn care, to be honest. I only look for SOPs. I only look for SOPs.
SOP.
Now look at this. We have this easy sell and become an easy fill. I do not give a care like what happened. I want now it should come back here. I will buy. Simple. As I
Yes,
said,
sir.
people give it a very fancy thing. It happened. What happened? Do you think it care about this fresh level? No, it did never care about this fresh level. It just come back to our SOPs. Look. Now,
Yes, sir.
then it is the one that you just need to filter it down till to the lower time frame. And if you look, I hope that we will have some, I hope that we will have some structure or whatever we call it. A lot of things you should have found there if you started to looking. And as far as I remember, we bought there. So these are the thing, brother, as I said, people claim it a very fancy thing. Like this very simplest way to you have an engulfing sell, you have an engulfing buy, you have a sell and you have a buy, you have a W shape. Two confirmation is done already, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Two confirmation is done. Now look for more and more. You may find out few more confirmation. Nothing here, but this is a QM, low, high, low, low, higher, high, QM, remain QM. Go more lower time frame. Simple as it is. So the market never cared your chart is fresh, unfresh, virgin, unvirgin. No, it care about us because we are the market. This is the one. And you have again the QM level on here. So I'm going to freshly mark it. We have the QM level here. We have sell, we have buy, we have W shape. What else you need? And then what happened? My goodness. And then what happened? If you look at it, where is the reaction? Just let me check. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
So it did give us a reaction. Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
So it never cared about you virgin or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Money management tips. There is no money management tips. You have $100 balance. You open 0.01 lot. Not 01, the lowest lot. The lowest lot. 01. This is the $100 balance trade. Make it 200, go to 0.02. Make it 1000 till 1000 will be 0.1. This is how you grow. That's the first thing. Risk management is already If you 30 pips stop loss, come to the trade
Yes, sir.
management. Should I layer or not? This thing we will talk way later, not now. Once you understanding the chart. So for money management, as I said, 100 balance, go for 0.01. Make it a habit, make money. Do not think like 0.01 how much I will make. Think about it like the other like we started at the same 0.01 and now they open 2-3 lot. So what is the difference? 0.10 gives you the comfortability, gives you the confidence like okay, I'm making money, I understand the chart. At the same time, if you're losing, you are losing less money. Once you goes to the high bigger lot, then maybe someone else yearly salary you're making in one day. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Arthur, any question?
सर अभी तो नहीं है सर, मैं वापस से प्रैक्टिस करूँ, अगर कुछ आता है तो
Okay.
आपको फिर मैसेज कर सकता हूँ सर आपको मैसेज में वापस से?
Did I block you?
नो नो
Who else?
नो सर, थैंक यू सर.
Okay. I only blocked one person from the superhero. Only one person. I'm not going to name him. So, the same thing I did. What happened? When someone told me, we don't know about his trading, but know about mentoring. So I open a signal channel. Now I'm showing off my trade. I do not want to show off, but nowadays I'm showing off. like, okay, look at this, I know what I do. Someone said something. Deepak, you remember, right?
Yeah, I know that.
So someone said about something about like my kid was sick that day, and I think I did not reply him, so he was so angry, and he said something like, you are living off my mentorship money. And then immediately I blocked him and I posted my whole account. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the end of our session. What is the session today? 7?
Yes, sir, 7.
7.
My God, only one session left. Basilis, you should thank God that we are finishing before my trip.
Okay. So today was the last session.
No, no,
No,
no.
no.
Ah,
We have
One more left.
ah,
One more
one,
left.
one
We
left.
have
Okay. On Monday.
basically we are going to learn BPE, which we call breakout, pullback, and entry, and we are going to learn volume, and finally we are going to learn the wallpaper.
Okay.
And
On
sir,
Monday.
pine tree.
Pine tree. This is not actually who asked it.
Akash.
Akash, sir.
Akash. There are few setup that was not included in this program. Sometimes
Oh,
when people started to build relationship, I showed them very different thing out of my emotion. Like I'm like a very big heart, like an ocean. So he said, "Have any setup?" I said, "Yeah." So I explained. So we will cover everything in the next session, whatever we have. Okay.
okay, master.
So what about counter trades, like you said?
Is this Emir?
Yeah.
Bro, when I started today, I showed 3-4 trade today. None of them was in the trend trade. Everything was counter. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
There
Okay.
is a steal. The whole is going to sell and we are in buy.
Right. So everything, if you do not join, every trade I took today, all I goes for counter. I did not goes for trend.
Same
Okay.
as
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what?
Master,
Yes. Kanan.
Umesh.
Okay.
Will you keep one live trading session?
Live trading session is how?
No, like regularly we have these sessions, right? So one session, can you do live trading with us?
Yes. You joined the signal group. Simple.
Yeah, I
You do
joined. Yeah, okay.
not need any more live trade with me. You join the signal group. The same thing.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
send the signal, you follow the signal, like why the hell he is selling when I am buying.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you can do. Thank you so
And
much for
okay.
who is saying something?
No, me on again. So
Yes.
what about that Bin Laden setup?
This is not a setup, brother. Bin Laden is not a
Okay.
setup. Bin Laden is a dangerous man, and we are so inspired from him. So we take every trade and we destroy the market. So what we do, there is a I'm going to tell you, Bin Laden is not a setup. I'm just. Thank you so much for reminding me. Look, where is the market now? 2625, right? 2655.
Yes.
So Bin Laden, why famous? Because of the 9/11, right?
Yeah.
So 2659 to 2661 is the Bin Laden area. Understood now?
Okay. From
Okay,
2
okay.
to
2669 to 2671 is another Bin Laden area. Now, when you analyze your chart and any setup is matching with this 2 point, this is a deadly combination. Now,
Okay.
I think someone made a pine code for the trading view. Adjust this, you will see what your chart look like. Anything you see with that combination, you buy, sell. Those are the very deadly combination.
Okay.
That's it. See how fast I am and how fast learner you are. Finish.
Please, can you explain a little the ping pong trade?
What?
पिंग पोंग
The ping pong.
Bro, ping pong is why? What is ping pong? You tell me.
Buy, sell, buy, sell. I saw it in the first session, I think.
So the problem is you are not getting it. Is this the problem?
Yes.
So as I'll suggest like ping pong is means if you have like what I tell you, where is the today's market? It is the today's market. Am I in the right market? Running market? Okay. Like as I told you, like brother, look, we bought from here, and you have a sell setup from here. You have a sell setup from here, right? Now this sell zone is in between 70-80 pips. And you are, as I say, we already know in a higher time frame, we are in a sell area. So market is gonna sell from there, but you find you are greedy. There is a word, shamas yud, you were greedy like them, and you went for that buy, and you also sell from there. This is the ping pong.
Okay, okay.
There is a famous word we use, we call greedy cult. And shamas the one who adjusts the word. Okay, everyone?
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for joining today. I hope you had a fun today.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Have a
Thank
good
you
day,
Thank
sir.
you,
Take
Master.
care, sir.
Hello.
थैंक यू मास्टर
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
बाय बाय
दीपक भैया
बोलिए सर।
कितने हो आप?
पूरा पूर गबर हो गया भाई
हाँ
हर तरफ पैसों भी मिल रहा है कहाँ कौन सा लूँ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा
अरे जस्ट set your target amount, just not go for a big one, just smaller take a smaller things and उसके बाद आप बड़े बड़े इसमें खोद पड़ो. Just make your account just like sir said, just start with 0.01. Look like
पैसे भी उतने ही है
हाँ क्या हो गया?
क्या कह रहे हैं?
पैसे कुछ नहीं
पैसे भी उतने ही है.
अरे just forget about the paisa right now, just focused on this trade. What is sir said, whatever the salary you getting 1 year, that after you just master that, just only 1 year
one
year
day.
one day you can get it, so focus on
Yes,
okay.
भैया.
Just
Okay, भैया.
focus. Yes.
Bye,
See you.
भैया. Take care.
I just check with the next session and just post it in a group.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day and good night.
Have a nice day. Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.